Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a useful feature for educators using Tutor LMS, how to import image quizzes easily. If you're looking to create engaging quizzes with images, you've come to the right place. First, let's start by installing and activating the Tutor LMS Quiz Importer plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click Add New. Upload plugin zip file and click Install Now, then Activate. Next, we need to download the CSV template. Go to the Tutor LMS menu, then find the Quiz Import option. Here, you'll see a link to download the CSV template. Click on it to save the file to your computer. Now, open the CSV template in your preferred spreadsheet software. You'll see several columns. Let's fill them out step by step. One, start with the quiz title. This is the name of your quiz. Two, next, provide a brief quiz description to give context to your learners. Three, in the Write Your Question Here column, type your question. 4, if you'd like to add additional information about the question, use the Description optional field. For questions with images, you'll write HTML code to embed the image. Five, for image answer options, fill in the Upload Image ID. for each answer option from 1 to 5. This is where you can add visuals to enhance the quiz. Six, in the answer option view format, specify how you want the options displayed. Use 1 for text, 2 for image, or 3 for both. Seven, finally, indicate the correct answer for your quiz. Once you've filled out all the required fields, save the template. Make sure to keep it in CSV format. Now, head back to the Quiz Import menu in Tutor LMS. Here, you'll find the option to import your CSV file. Click Import, select your saved file, and hit Upload. After the upload is complete, you'll see a success message. Your image quiz is now ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully imported an image quiz into Tutor LMS. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using Tutor LMS. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!